So most of the students ask, what kind of yoga are we teaching? And how should I tackle this question? And what should I tell them?
See, this is the biggest challenge for yoga teachers and for the public. The teachers only create confusion, Pragna. The yoga has lost value in India, I'm telling you, because of yoga teachers. No, because of our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, has brought value to yoga. Now, Corona has brought some value. What yoga? Yoga is one word, Y-O-G-A. In Hindi, it is called Sanskrit, Yog. You know, I've seen like, suppose, Subbamma Yoga. What is Subbamma Yoga? Public confused. Subbamma is his wife name. So, Subbamma Yoga. Apparao Yoga. What is Apparao Yoga? His name. In America, somebody told me, nude yoga is very famous, it seems. So, you don't need to, normally we say to come to yoga center, come in comfortable dress. I think that yoga center will say no dress is needed. What is this nonsense? Are we buffaloes? Now somebody started Vaga in Bangalore. Vaga. Vaga. I said, what is Vaga? W-O-G-A. Yoga in water. Yeah, place nahi mila kya tumko? There is no place or what? Why in water? Mental fellows. What meditation you can do in water? What pranayama you can do in the water? What mudras you can do in the water? What relaxation technique you can do in the water? First of all, why water? Because she's a swimmer, she wants to teach yoga in, you know, Koga. I think in future, Koga will come. Yoga in the kitchen. Next one will come, Boga. Yoga in the bathroom. Useless fellows. Useless. You know, the people who are not confident, they will create all this nonsense. Somebody called me one day, sir, what is the difference between Bodhi Yoga, Aruna Yoga, Sharmila Yoga? I said, don't know about other yogas. Bodhi Yoga, there is no Bodhi Yoga. It is Yoga Academy. Bodhi is the tree name where Lord Buddha got enlightened. So our yoga institute name is Bodhi. It is a tree name. Now students come with confusion, Pragna. They don't know what to learn. So by seeing these names, they confuse. Search, go to Google, na. Jivan Mukti Yoga. Somebody I saw. Jivan Mukti. Yesterday I saw somewhere Jesus Yoga. Jesus Yoga. Huh? See, if somebody asks me like this, Pragna, I teach yoga. Are you looking for physical fitness, Pragna?
Yes, sir.
Are you looking for some mental fitness?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to enhance your energy levels?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to increase your flexibility?
Absolutely, sir.
Do you want to clean your intestines and detoxification?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to learn relaxation techniques for mind?
Yes, sir.
All these are subject of yoga. So I teach all these things. If you are interested, join. Are you interested to join?
Yes, sir.
See, Pragna, I tell one more thing to students. Everybody listen. First 3 days we don't take money. Pay on 4th day. Because you will like it. 3 days itself you will understand. You will fall in love. I have never seen in my studio, 4th day they will pay money and join. If somebody is not joining on the 4th day means what? I am not a good yoga teacher. What do you say all? That means I have to stop teaching. I have to go again and start learning. Yes or no? You know, first day I say this, everybody has. First day I say, if they ask how much money I have to pay, hey, don't worry, pay on 4th day. Second day they ask, sir, yesterday class was very fine. I want to pay. Arey, don't worry. Today you have come. I want to see you tomorrow also. Third day she comes. Again ask. I say, okay, you've successfully come for 3 days. Now you're addicted to my center. See you tomorrow, pay tomorrow. Make sense now?
Yes.
So create a confidence in students when you are speaking. Don't say like this, many will respond like this. Yeah, I teach the best. I have learned power yoga techniques. I learned this. I learned this. Yeah, I'm the senior most. I'm RYT 500 certified. I'm an advanced yoga trainer. Let me tell you, advanced yoga trainers, I have done research. I have studied. 90% of advanced yoga trainers are mental fellows. When I say advanced yoga, are you doing pranayama? No. Are you doing meditation? No. फिर क्या कर रहे? क्या advance कर रहे? I can do scorpion. I can do that. Bow. Circus people will do better than you. People who do too much, 3 hours I do asanas. क्या competition के लिए जा रहे क्या? I'm telling you, watch now. I have watched many, and we recruited advanced yoga teachers. I realized I will never recruit advanced trainers. Vaishnavi Nellotla is 1,000 times better than those fellows. They don't have any guru. They don't do any meditation. They don't do any relaxation technique. Oh, asana. Workers are better than those fellows. The cement workers better than. Mentally they are peaceful. Yeah. Let's move on. I think काफी लंबा चौड़ा हो गया answer. Pragna, next question.